Hello friends, here's a quick video on how I create my backgrounds when I am drawing, especially when I am trying to matte the background or create a white border. Now what I use mostly is a beauty blender and brushes along with the sandpaper and my pencils, especially the charcoal pencils, to create those dark values. Now in cases where I am making the background as dark as possible and leaving some areas white, like as you can see here, I'm using the paper to guide the lines so the charcoal don't fall off or stain other areas it's not supposed to stain. Like you see that edge there, I kind of cut the paper so that it will prevent it from spreading to other areas. Now as you can see, I'm using a beauty blender to blend those smooth areas. Now the beauty blender enables you to unify all the values, either a dark value or a light value. What I'm doing is just covering those lines and using my brush to intensify the darkness. Now brushes are very nice because unlike your beauty blender, they can push the powder deep down into the paper, making things very dark. Beauty blenders are best for light areas, but you can use them for very dark areas, but it does not always give you the darkest of value when you are blending with it, because it takes off the powder in the surface and spread it to other areas. But with your brush you can easily blend without scattering the powder to different areas. So here you see me using the brush to press in to get those edges as dark as possible. I can't use a beauty blender to get very dark values. So for the darker areas, I make use of the brush, and a beauty blender for the lighter areas, as you can see right now. So that is exactly what I am doing. If you look at the reference, you see how the background is and what I am trying to achieve. So I am doing links, and this is links art. Keep creating.